Hi, my name is Medina Odasheva. I'm an 8th grade scholar that has been going to Mary Anderson Neighborhood Academy since kindergarten. This video is a farewell for all my fellow 8th grade classmates.
Miss McHaney, because she gets us.
And I'm in 8th grade. My favorite teachers are Mrs. Miller, Mrs. McHaney, and Mr. K. They're fun teachers. They're really fun to be around. Mr. K, he's hilarious sometimes. And Mrs. Miller, she's nice and cool. And, well, that's pretty much it.
My favorite teacher is Miss McHaney because she's like the most funniest teacher we've ever had.
My favorite teacher is Mr. Burks. And he's my favorite teacher because, like, he just always makes sure that we're having fun. He just always make, like, something happen. Like, yeah.
I'd probably say Mr. Demla.
My favorite teacher is Miss McHaney, and she's my favorite teacher because she's supportive.
Maintain good grades, surround myself in a good crowd of people, and play a good sport.
Try the food.
Make like more clubs for kids.
I want to make new friends and like get better at what I was doing back when I was struggling at math in like 8th grade, mainly because I thought math was harder for me in 8th grade. But now I can understand math a little more. So I get to learn new things in high school.
I'm looking for art and computer science.
Probably to try to get along with new classmates in my class.
One thing I enjoyed in this year is the field trips.
My friends and my teacher, basically.
Making friends.
I've had our current 8th grade class for 2 years now. I've taught them social studies and ELA over these past 2 years. Teaching the 8th graders has been a joy and a privilege. They're one of my favorite classes I've ever had in the 10 years I've been teaching. I'm going to miss them dearly.
I am the 8th grade English and Social Studies teacher resident here at Mary Anderson. My experience with the 8th graders has been a very interesting one. Since this is my first time teaching, they've been my first class, so the 8th graders have been teaching me a lot as much as I've hopefully been teaching them. They've been teaching me a lot about my teaching methods, what works, what doesn't.
My experience teaching the 8th graders was a lot of joy, a lot of laughs. I really enjoyed teaching them. They were always open to learning and were excited to learn about new things.
I had a wonderful experience teaching the 8th graders, not only this year but last year, and they're definitely one of my favorite classes that I'm going to miss dearly.
The thing I like most about having these 8th graders is that they're a very calm, relaxed group. They get along with each other. They like being in school. They're relaxed.
With the 8th grade class, I would probably just have to see them like making like those TikTok videos, just being kids. You know, it's so nice knowing that like that hasn't changed that much since I was a kid. We had fun.
The 8th graders were such a fun group to work with. They all have such unique and fun personalities that made coming to work every day a joy. The 3rd floor is not going to be the same without them.
One of the things that brought me joy from the 8th graders was when they came to visit, even after I didn't teach them anymore. They always stopped by my room or waving through the window.
If I could pass any wisdom to the 8th graders, I would say do not be in any rush to grow up. Enjoy being a kid and young while you still can.
I would tell the 8th graders to continue their maturity that they've shown over this past year. In high school, they are going to be facing a lot of new people that they're not used to interacting with, but I have faith that they will be a welcoming group, that they'll have that independence, and they'll be able to grow socially.
The wisdom I would pass on would be always be yourself. You can do whatever you want. You can accomplish anything you want. So work hard and never give up on your dreams.
Join lots of activities, be open to making new friends, and just open to learning as much as you can.